Hello, in this video let's get acquainted with our integration with Todoist. In order to establish this integration, you need to first connect Todoist. Go to your profile page, then head to Integrations. Click to add integration and choose Connect Todoist. You will be authorized with your Todoist credentials and will add it as integration. Now, second important step is to install our extension, which shows all time tracking controls directly into your Todoist interface. You can do it from this integrations page by clicking on install. We'll detect the browser you're using and let you install extension for it. When extension shows in your browser toolbar, you first of all can pin it to always see here, and then you need to open it and grant Todoist access to our extension. After this is done, you can go back to Todoist, and in a couple of seconds we'll sync all projects. By the way, it's very important that your project is shared with at least one more person. Unfortunately, due to technical limitations imposed by Todoist, it's not possible for us to integrate fully private and personal projects, so please mind that you should share projects in order to direct time into them. And now I can see the timer button next to every task and subtask. On the project list, I can click on a timer to start tracking hours, open task details, and log my hours manually for today and for any other date. Open my task total and just quickly update time entries. Users who have an administrator role will see two more labels. Inside Todoist, the option to set the billing type and the budget on the project. There are three types of billing you can set on a project, and a budget in the form of hours and in the form of money. You can find out more in our other video about billing, and you can specifically repeat your budget as well as subscribe to receive notifications when team reaches certain threshold. So in order to see all time you reported inside Todoist, you can go to your reports page in Everhour. I'm going to use the already prepared report where I can see different information coming directly from Todoist. I can see the name of my project, parent task. If I track time into subtasks, I will see their titles. Under task column, I can see task ID, status, and due date, if any. Later, you can download any report in 3 formats or send it to somebody by email, and even choose the day and time when this report should be sent. That's it, what I wanted to show you today. If you still have any other questions, feel free to contact us at ask@everhour.com or click on the green question mark button in your account.